When it comes to remodeling your bathroom, the decision to update your shower or bathtub is a significant one. In Foley, Alabama, homeowners are turning to walk-in showers and tubs as a way to enhance both the functionality and aesthetic of their bathrooms. Whether you're looking for increased accessibility, a modern look, or simply a safer bathing experience, walk-in showers and tubs are the ideal solution. Choosing the right installation service is key to ensuring the project is done correctly, and that's where Foley walk-in showers and tub installers come in. Here are several reasons why choosing Foley walk-in showers and tub installers for your bathroom remodel is the best decision for your home. Expertise in walk-in shower and tub installation. Foley walk-in showers and tub installers specialize in the installation of walk-in showers and tubs. With years of experience in the industry, they bring a high level of expertise to each project. These professionals understand the unique needs of homeowners looking to install a walk-in shower or tub, from accessibility to design preferences. Their specialized knowledge allows them to recommend the best products for your needs, whether it's a walk-in tub for safety or a spacious walk-in shower for a modern aesthetic. By choosing a company that specializes in these types of installations, you can trust that the job will be done right the first time, ensuring durability, functionality, and a long-lasting result. Enhanced safety features. One of the primary reasons homeowners opt for walk-in showers and tubs is the enhanced safety they provide. Traditional tubs with high walls and slippery surfaces can be hazardous, especially for seniors or those with mobility issues. Walk-in showers and tubs, on the other hand, offer low thresholds or no thresholds at all, which eliminates the risk of tripping. Foley walk-in showers and tub installers understand the importance of safety and ensure that your new installation includes all the necessary features, such as grab bars, slip-resistant flooring, and easy-to-reach controls. Their expert installation means you can have peace of mind knowing that your bathroom is not only functional but also a safe space for all family members. Customized solutions for your bathroom. Every bathroom is different, and the one-size-fits-all approach doesn't work when it comes to remodeling. Foley walk-in showers and tub installers offer customized solutions to fit your space and personal preferences. Whether you have a small bathroom that needs a space-efficient design or you're looking for a luxury walk-in shower with multiple jets, their team can create a solution that meets your specific needs. They will assess your bathroom layout, provide expert recommendations, and design a walk-in shower or tub that blends seamlessly with the rest of your bathroom's aesthetic. Customization doesn't just mean style, it also includes ensuring that your shower or tub provides maximum comfort and convenience based on your personal preferences. Improved accessibility and convenience. In addition to safety, walk-in showers and tubs provide an unparalleled level of convenience and accessibility. Many people choose walk-in showers or tubs because they make daily bathing easier, especially for those with limited mobility, seniors, or individuals recovering from an injury. Foley walk-in showers and tub installers have the experience to install accessible solutions that ensure comfort for everyone in the household. Whether it's a walk-in tub with a built-in seat or a spacious, barrier-free walk-in shower, The experts will make sure your bathroom is designed for ease of use without sacrificing style or functionality. Professional installation and quality service. Choosing Foley walk-in showers and tub installers guarantees that you're working with professional, licensed, and insured contractors. They are committed to providing top-notch customer service and ensuring that every installation is done to the highest standards. From the initial consultation to the final touches, their team will work with you every step of the way to make sure your bathroom remodel goes smoothly. Their attention to detail, prompt service, and courteous approach ensure that the installation process is as stress-free as possible. Additionally, they understand the importance of respecting your home and will take care to minimize disruption during the project. Increase your home's value. Upgrading your bathroom with a walk-in shower or tub is not only a great way to improve your daily life, but it can also increase the value of your home. Potential buyers are increasingly looking for homes that are accessible and modern, and a newly installed walk-in shower or tub is a great selling point. By choosing Foley walk-in showers and tub installers, you're investing in a high-quality, durable solution that not only enhances your living space but also improves the marketability of your home. A bathroom remodel is one of the most cost-effective ways to boost your property's value, and walk-in showers and tubs are highly sought after by many buyers. Affordable pricing with financing options. While walk-in showers and tubs are a valuable investment, Foley walk-in showers and tub installers offer competitive pricing to ensure that homeowners can enjoy the benefits of these installations without breaking the bank. They offer affordable options that fit within a variety of budgets, making it easier for you to get the bathroom of your dreams. Additionally, many installers offer financing options that can help spread out the cost of your remodel, making it more affordable and manageable. With flexible financing plans, you can invest in your home's future without the worry of a large upfront cost. Conclusion. Foley walk-in showers and tub installers offer the perfect solution for homeowners looking to upgrade their bathrooms with modern, safe, and accessible walk-in showers and tubs. From expert installation and customized designs to enhanced safety features and increased home value, the benefits of choosing this professional service are clear. Whether you're remodeling for better accessibility or improving the aesthetics of your bathroom, Foley walk-in showers and tub installers will provide you with the expertise, quality, and service you need to create the bathroom you've always wanted.